welcome. We're back on.
Amazing.
Hardly a half-time break, was it? Welcome back to Sport Relief, this time on BBC Two.
Amazing. We've had
the same.
such a good night. Have we not had such a good night so far?
Well, thank you.
Your help. Please, give us what you can. We're going to be back with you after Top Gear. This is so amazing. Hammond, back to the day job.
Yes. Well, tonight we've seen lots of people pushing themselves to the limit. But me and the Top Gear team decided to push someone else to the limit. It's just easier. By resurrecting Grand Force and attempting a makeover on their garden. It was a very, very genuine surprise, as it turns out. So for one night only, this is Top Gear Grand Gear Force.
Hello, and I've just trodden in some dog poo. Never mind. I'm sure you all remember the TV show Ground Force. The idea was that some people with regional accents would come round to your house while you were out and do up your garden. Then you'd come home, cry with unbridled joy, and then everyone would have some warm pomain. Now, sadly, it isn't on anymore, so we thought it'd be a good idea to bring it back. I mean, gardening. How hard can it be?
Well, I should imagine very hard.
Well, we're going to find out. This is the team. There's Handy Hammond, James E. Dimmock, May, and then we've got some Poles who'll actually do all the work. Anyway, let's get cracking.
The lucky recipient of our top Ground Gear Force garden makeover is a sporting legend. 5 times Olympic gold medalist Sir Steve Redgrave, a man whose shoulders are thicker than my torso.
Great Britain on the line! Here we go! Great Britain get the gold medal and relief all round!
And triumph for Steve Redgrave. 5 in a row. What a hero!
This is his garden, and this is his wife, Lady Anne. Now, he really doesn't know, does he, that we're doing this? I mean, hand on heart.
Absolutely. No idea at all.
Because everyone on television believes it, you know, nobody believes a word on television. He really genuinely does not know.
Has no idea.
This is just fantastic. Now, the garden, have you got any ideas, anything you want?
Well, Steve likes water features. He tried one over there around the corner, so you could try one of those. It does trickle over the top of the pot.
No, I might be able
fish
to...
in the bottom.